Hello students, welcome to our classes. This is our fourth lecture. Today we are talking about the fourth lecture of the triangles. Okay, so those students who still not yet watched the previous three lectures, they can watch our previous three lectures in the I button. Okay, so today we are taking some more important questions related to the chapter triangles. Okay, ठीक है. So first we talk about the first question. In this question we have given the figure which is D C B A. Okay, we all know about the bisector. Okay, we know what is bisector. So in this question the side BC of triangle ABC is produced to the point D. ठीक है. So the bisector of angle A meets BC at E. ठीक है. As we can know that AE is the bisector, so AE divides the angle A into two equal parts. Now we have to prove that angle ABC, I can write ABC plus angle ACD equals to 2 angle AEC. Okay, this we have to prove that angle ABC plus angle ACD equals to 2 angle AEC. So to prove this we have to take side BE of triangle ABE is produced to the point C. So according to the exterior angle theorem, this exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. So angle AEC is equals to angle ABE plus angle BAE. Okay, now angle BAE is the half of the angle A, right, by the bisector AE. So angle AEC equals to angle ABE plus half of the angle A. We can write angle BAE as half of the angle A because it is the half of the angle A, because AE is the bisector of angle A. ठीक है. Let us know, sorry. Now from this we can take the LCM. So 2 angle AEC equals to 2 angle ABE plus angle A. Mark it as equation number 1. Okay, now again side BC is of triangle ABC, the side BC is produced to the point D, as we can see. So again here we can use the same property. This exterior angle is equal to the two opposite interior angle. ठीक है. So angle ACD equals to angle ABC plus angle A. Okay, mark it as equation number 2. Now what we have to do is we have to subtract equation number second from first. It means first minus second. ठीक है. So first minus this, so 2 angle AEC minus angle ACD equals to 2 angle AB. Angle A will cancel out each other. So 2 angle AEC, sorry 2 angle, okay, sorry, 2 angle ABC. Angle ABC we have to minus first minus second. So okay, ABC, sorry, oh, I have made a mistake. 2 angle AEC equals to ABE and ABE, ABC. Okay, here we write ABC so that we can easily prove it. See this angle, what we mark this angle, मतलब इस एंगल को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, एंगल ABC भी बोल सकते हैं और ABE भी बोल सकते हैं, तो हमने ABC बोला, ठीक है। तो दिस माइनस दिस इक्वल्स टू, टू एंगल ABC में से एंगल ABC गए तो एंगल ABC बचेगा, ठीक है, और एंगल ए कैंसिल आउट ईच अदर, ठीक है। सो टू एंगल AEC को हमने इधर ही रहने दिया, एंगल ACD प्लस एंगल ABC। ओके, सो दिस इज आवर प्रूफ, ठीक है, हेंस प्रूफ्ड। दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर। ओके, इजी क्वेश्चन है गाइस। Now we are moving towards the question number 2. Okay, so in question number 2 we have given that, गाइज आप लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छे से लिख सकते हैं अपने आप, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं सारी लैंग्वेज अगर क्वेश्चन की लिखने बैठूंगा तो मैं आपको क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा नहीं करा पाऊंगा, और मैं चाहता हूं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आपको मैं करा दूं। (52) it is point O C B A. Okay, so students, in this question there is a triangle ABC, है ना, it is given that angle A equals to 70, angle B equals to 52, and BO and OC are the bisector of angle B and angle C. So we have to find the OCB and BOC, ठीक है। So first of all we find the value of this, ठीक है। So we know that the sum of all angles of the triangles are 180, so angle A, by that property angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. Okay, we have given that angle A equals to 70, angle B equals to 52, angle C is not given, so from here angle C equals to 180 minus 7 of 5, 12, 122, so 8, 5, 58, angle C equals to 58. Okay, so now we have find that angle C is equals to 58. Now angle OBC, as we can know, angle OBC is the half of the angle B. So from here we know the value of angle B, which is 52, so we easily find that angle OBC is equals to 26. OBC, it means only this angle, is equals to 26. Similarly, angle OCB is equals to half of the angle C, and we know the value of angle C, which we recently find out, which is 58 degree. So we find the value of angle OCB, which is 29. Okay, so we find the value of this angle, now we easily find the value of this angle BOC. So in triangle BOC, angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB equals to 180. ओके, BOC हमें फाइंड करना है, OBC 26, OCB 29, 180. What is the sum of 26 and 29? 29, 26, 15, 55, 180 minus 55, 17 minus 5, 125. So angle BOC equals to 125. Okay, this is our second question. You can note it down by pause the video. Okay, now we are moving towards the question number 3, which is the last question of the chapter triangles. Okay, it is important question. Question number 3, we have given the figure in this question. Okay, ठीक है, ABCD EFG X 30, this is 30, 65. Okay, so in this question we have to find the value of x. हमें 65 दे रखा है, 30 दे रखा है. Okay, so we have given that AB is parallel to CD. So if AB and parallel to CD, then we see that EF is the transversal. So there is a condition in which these two angles are alternate interior angles. So this 65 is equal to this whole angle 65. Now when we given that this full angle is 65, so by minus the 65 minus 30 we have find this angle which is 35. ठीक है, सो ये एंगल 35 का हो जाएगा. इजी क्वेश्चन. 35 प्लस 90. ठीक है, हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी थी, प्लस 90 प्लस x इक्वल्स टू 180. सो 512 प्लस x इक्वल्स टू 180, x इक्वल्स टू 55. ठीक है, very easy question guys. Okay guys, so today we finished the chapter number 7 which is triangles. ठीक है, आज ये चैप्टर हमारा फिनिश हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से हमारा न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा. ठीक है, वर्कशीट एज यूजुअल आपको इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर मिलती रहेंगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू गाइज, हैव अ नाइस डे.